morning, everyone. My name is Ankita Trigunar. I am lecturer of Rama University, Kanpur. Today is my topic health problem in India. So, first of all, discuss introduction of health problem in India. So, assessment of health status and health problem is the first requirement any plan effort and develop to the healthcare services. Means if developed to any type of health services. So, firstly identified an assessment of the health problems clearly and deeply. So, next definition. So, if identified an assessment of health problems, so firstly I know health, what is the health and meaning of health. The health is the state of complete physical, mental, social and spiritual well-being and not merely the absence of disease. According to WHO in 1948, health is a state of complete physical, mental, social and spiritual well-being and not merely absence of disease. Next identify the health problems. Health problem is it is a state in which not normally function, means suffering from illness and unhealthiness conditions. Next, discuss about major health problems. So, major health problems in India is the most topic in here. So, firstly, total components is 5. So, I will discuss one by one all topics health problem in India. So, first, communicable disease. Second, nutritional problems. Next, environmental sanitation. And next, medical care problems and population problems. These are the health problem in India. So, now discuss one by one all problem in India. So, here malaria. Malaria is the most dangerous communicable disease. So, in 2005, total recorded malaria cases, most affected state Goa, MP and Odisha, and there were 940 people's death rate in malaria in during 2005. Next, communicable disease, tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is the mycobacterium tuberculosis. This is the dangerous condition, and tuberculosis about every year affected large about peoples. Next, ARI, acute respiratory infection and syndromes. ARI is mostly affected under 5-year children. Mostly 2003 to 2004 is ARI is affected large under 5 child, and they according to survey 13.6% is admission in hospital death rate, and 13% in death rate is without admission. Next, leprosy. Leprosy is also communicable disease. Leprosy is communicable disease, and in this condition is very large population affected is our country. So, this is the big problems in our health. Next, AIDS. AIDS is the also communicable disease. AIDS is every year affected large peoples in our country. AIDS firstly detected in 1986. So, our government launched AIDS control programs for all AIDS peoples. So, this is the sexual transmitted disease also. Others means meningitis and kala jar and all sometimes dangerous disease. Nutritional problems is also major health problems, because if not properly nutrition take, so generate different kind of nutritional problems. So, firstly PEM, protein energy malnutrition. Protein energy malnutrition is the very dangerous condition, especially 1-year child. So, there are two conditions, marasmus and kwashiorkor. So marasmus, very large amount child affected, but kwashiorkor is sometime affected. Low birth weight. Low birth weight is the very dangerous nutritional problems. Low birth weight is also several types of examples. Low birth weight and extremely low birth weight and very low birth weight. Low birth weight means if baby is less than 100 grams. So this called low birth weight. And extremely low birth weight, if baby is less than 1000 gram, so called extremely low birth weight. And very low birth weight, baby weight less than 1500 gram. So this called very low birth weight. So low birth weight in our country is main issue in our child. So firstly, this is the major health problems in nutritional problems. Okay, next, nutritional anemia. Nutritional anemia also major health problems, because all women and child affected, large population affected by nutritional anemia. Every year about 4 lakh maternity death by nutritional anemia, and affected, I think, 2.4 lakh females every year. Okay, next, xerophthalmia. Xerophthalmia is also nutritional blindness. So this condition is dryness of cornea and conjunctivitis. So very dangerous conditions. In this condition, vitamin A deficiency also. So iodine deficiency. Iodine deficiency is the goiter condition. Iodine deficiency basically spread in Himalaya regions, but not exactly Himalaya regions. This is also spread other area in our countries. Next, environmental sanitation problems. This is the most and very important and learn to major health problem, because if environmental sanitation not clean, so generate different kind of problems. So this is the two type affected in our environment: lack of safe water and primitive method of excreta disposal. So if our water is not clean, so generate communicable disease, airborne disease, and all different kind of communicable and contact disease. Next, primitive method of excreta. Some people's primitive method of excreta disposal is also is in this time. So this method is very dangerous and affected our environment. Next, medical care problems. So medical care problems is most problems. This is generate new problems in our country. If not properly medical facility, so large population affected. Example, mother's death rate and baby death rate, and all population is affected mortality and morbidity. Now here discuss medical health problems. So some medical health problems: inadequate financial, to the resource. Next, health benefit to the urban population. Next, migration to the urban health problems have been. And next, aggravated the like overcrowding hospital and inadequate staffing. Means if overcrowding in hospital, so lack of staffing means physician lacking and nurse lacking. So if properly if crowding is compressed to large, so staffing pattern is maintained. So this is a very dangerous condition. Migration to the urban health problems, to lack of staffing. This is a medical problems. Medical problems also discuss inadequate finally. So financial to source for health benefit to the urban population. Migration to the urban health problems have been. So this is the medical problems, care problems, and also transportation problems included. Next, population problems. Population problems is biggest problems in our country, because India is the biggest country according to population. Second biggest country in world. So population is the biggest problem. If large population generate the different kind of disease, not only disease, uneducation, unemployment, and environmental, not clean environment, and problem in our water and our environment and in our air, because is large population always affect our health and and our country health. So this is the major health problems. So now this summarize all major problems. Firstly, communicable disease problems. Next, nutritional problems. Next, environmental sanitation problems, and next, medical care problems, and next, population problems. These are the major health problems. So complete my topic. Thank you.